Hi, if you're interested in doing this cherry blossom problem on your computer, here is how you're going to do that. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to your add-ons. And I know you can get new add-ons. And what you want to find is this one that's called XL Miner. And notice it's spelled MINER, Analysis Tool Pack. So you're going to have to add that onto your computer. But once you do that, you have it. And then I'm going to click on Start. And a lot of information at the side is going to come up. You can run lots of different tests in here that we're going to learn about. We've learned about some of them, but what we want to scroll down to is the one that says linear regression. So what they ask you first is the Y ranges. And I know it says J12 because that's where my computer is right now, but I'm going to go over here and select my Y numbers. And when I hit enter, I think it's going to update in this input range right here. If not, I'll do it again myself. Oh, it put it there. Okay. There we go. You just kind of click on it. So for my X range, I want the X numbers. So I'm going to highlight those and I'm going to copy those. What just happened? And then I'm going to input them right here. Okay, so there's my Y and my X. I can ask it to do a confidence interval for me. We can have it do a residual and residual plot and things like that. Scroll down. I'm not going to select any of those right now. I'm just going to click OK. Oh, output range. This tells you like where they're going to post all this stuff. So the output range, like I just want it to show up right around here. So around E1 and click OK. It might think a little bit of a second. And here's a summary. There's a lot of things on here we don't really know what they mean, but what we really care about is this bottom row. And let's see if I can highlight this bottom row. So our X variable, this deals with the slope right here. And that's what we did for our linear regression test. So I'm just going to highlight this. And you're going to see these are the same answers that we had in our first video if you watched that one. So what this is this is our T statistic, and this is our p-value. Notice it's really small. And here's our 95% confidence interval, which again is very similar to what I got when I did it on my calculator. This is definitely faster, but it requires that step of getting the correct add-on and having this show up. So I hope this makes sense to you. And if you like doing this, what you can do is you still need to answer the questions on the worksheet, but you can use these numbers to help you do that.